My name is Deborah, and I'm going to be demonstrating how you can save record selection criteria that you specified in Startool FDM's P-Edit. This is the FDM menu, and we get to P-Edit by option 4. You'll specify the dataset name that you want to process against. I have view mode equal yes for browsing and yes for record select. This is the screen where you'll specify your record selection criteria. I want to start with record number 1 in the dataset. And down here, I want to look for 1995 in column 44. So I'll specify 44 equals 1995. I'll hit enter. And FDM is telling me that of the 63 records in the dataset, 19 of them have 1995 in column 44. I hit enter, and these are the 19 records. I can now save that record selection criteria for later processing. So I'll PF3 back one screen, and on the option or command line, I'll type the word save. Under Save Name, I'll specify the member name that I want created and give it a description. Under Source Library, I'll specify Profile to save this member in my profile dataset. I can also specify Group or Other to save it in another PDS. So I'll hit Enter. And down here you can see that FDM creates a member R1995 as #7 R1995 in my profile data set. I'll now show you how I can load that member name in the profile that I just created. So I'm back at the P-Edit screen. I'll hit Enter, and I'm going to erase this record selection criteria so that you can see that it really loaded it. So on the option or command line, I type the word load, and I'm going to specify the member name that it created, and that member name is coming from my profile data set. So I'll hit Enter, and as you can see down here, FDM loads that record selection criteria, and then I can just hit Enter for normal processing. I'm going to switch screens here so that you can see that in the profile data set, here is that member name that it created. I hope this helps you in saving your own record selection criteria.